In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Tradingview premium trial, and as you'll notice, there is a way to do this over and over to get unlimited premium, but I'm not going to state the obvious. Anyway, it's pretty easy once you know how, so let's get started. First things first, go to your browser and search for Tradingview. Then find tradingview.com and click on it, just like this, and you should be brought to their homepage. Make sure that you're on tradingview.com in the URL, and there should be a lock icon to make sure that you're on the right website. Next, click on Get Started at the top right of the screen. Now you can see the benefits of each plan below. And next, click on Try Free for 30 days under the premium plan. From here, click on Sign Up at the bottom of the screen, and then choose a way to sign up from these options. I'll just choose email, as I'm guessing that's what most of you will do. Now just enter your email and create a password. I'll do that and be right back. Okay, so once you've done that, you need to tick here to say that you have read the terms of use, and then complete the I'm not a robot verification by ticking this box and then doing the puzzle. But in this case, it didn't ask me to do the puzzle. Next, click Create Account. Now, as you can see, it says your account is not yet active. Please verify your email. So you need to go to the email addresses inbox that you used to sign up with and open the email Tradingview sent you. The email should look something like this, and you just have to click on Activate Account. So click that. You'll then be taken to this page, and you need to enter your first and second name, and then choose whether you want to opt in or opt out of their marketing emails. Okay, so once you've done this, you can also add your photo for your account up here, but you don't have to do this and it's not mandatory. Anyway, click on Continue at the bottom. As you can see, we're back here, but now we're signed in, as you can see at the top right. So from here, you need to choose the premium plan again, but make sure that monthly is selected first up here, and scroll down and click on Try Free for 30 days underneath the premium plan. Now you can either add a credit card or a PayPal account. You need to do this to get this for free. As you can see, it says you will not be billed until the date here, which will be 30 days from now. And you can cancel auto renewal for this date and you won't be charged at all. So I'll do this and be right back. Okay, so I'm going with PayPal and I filled in my information. From here, just tick this box below to say that you have read and agreed to the Tradingview terms of service. And then if you are using PayPal, click on PayPal on the side here and go through the payment process. Okay, so once you have gone through the payment process, you should be taken to this page. As you can see, your 30-day free trial is live. And remember, if you don't want to be charged at the end of the 30 days, turn auto renewal off before the date it says it's payable. Anyway, just click Start Charting to create your first chart. So that's how to get the Tradingview premium free trial. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, take care. Bye bye.